Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin, ils donnent de la joie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's that time of the month. I'm here with yet another one of my BoxyCharm videos. This unboxing is going to be on time this month. I know I've been slacking a bit, but today I just pushed myself to go ahead and film this video, and I wasn't as impressed as I was about the last box, which I'll link in the video somewhere. But this box it wasn't really that much, you know, it didn't have that boom to it, but it's still a box, you know. I still have to do the unboxing. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in here. So with this video, I'm not really going to go in any kind of order. The last product that I'm gonna show is what I really enjoyed about this box, but the others are just like, it's whatever. So I'll probably use the way they listed them in here. All right, the first product is this Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. You can conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer slash makeup hybrid. It's fully loaded with pigments that provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. That's actually cute. So this product retails for $29, and this is how it looks on the inside. Like, it's just the concealer. Yeah, there's nothing special to show. So that's product number one. Now moving on to product number two. This is the one I'm gonna save for later, so we will just skip to product number three. The third product is this Clarence Velvet Lip Perfector. This is Clarence's best-selling natural lip perfector, which goes bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless, smooth texture that delivers a highly pigmented, velvety finish with soft blur effect. It's formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. So that's the product. This retails for $26, and this is how it looks on the inside. I've actually tested this out before, like just now, and I don't know if I should do it now, but I don't want to ruin my makeup. But it's kind of like a lip, stick, but not in a stick form. That's how it looks. I hope you guys can see that. So that's product number three, which retails for $26, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $26. And the fourth product is this Mott Musky Blue Light Protection Mask. This blocks high energy visible light from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. It's made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen, as it prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light, which is high energy visible light. And this retails for $54. So I'm guessing this really does work. I guess I should start wearing this because I'm in front of my computer almost all the time if I'm not on my phone, so this is gonna come in handy. Now moving on to the fourth product, we have this Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. It dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. And this goes for $20. This is our product for $20. I don't know if I would buy this for $20. I just feel like it's a bit too much, but and I don't even use primer for my eyelids. I just slap on whatever I have and I go with my day. Now moving on to the fifth and final product, we have the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. I'm obsessed with the packaging of this product. It's quite wow. It's a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile, cool-toned, neutral hues. Create an array of looks with this matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy-to-carry mirrored compact. And this goes for $28. I'm just obsessed with the packaging, honestly. The colors are not really like such a wow. So this is our product, this is our packaging, and this is how you open it. And these are your colors right there. Now these colors, like I have an eyeshadow palette with like the exact same colors, but I guess it doesn't hurt to have more, so I will probably either use this or the other one and give away one, or just keep them both. Okay, now for my favorite products, I would have to go with this palette and this, whatever it is, as well as the concealer. So these are my favorites out of the box, and I hope the next box is as nice as the past 3 boxes I was receiving. I'm honestly in love with this packaging, honestly. Like, anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and big ups to me for filming on time. It will probably be out on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so Wednesday this video should be live on YouTube. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, as well as leave a comment in the comment section below, and be sure to check out my previous videos, which I will link on the screen. And with that being said, adios.